Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Now we will see in this video remaining 50 questions of SET Maharashtra SET exam June 2019's question paper. Okay, now the question number 50 we already solved in previous video. Start from the question number 51. Christopher Marlowe's blank verse that became the stample medium for later Elizabethan and Jacobean dramatic writing was called as Mighty Line by whom? Okay, so the options are Ben Jonson, David Lodge, Robert Greene, Thomas Nash. So the correct option is here option number A, that is Ben Jonson. It is said by Ben Jonson. Then question number 52. Geoffrey Chaucer was trusted and aided by three successive kings, Edward III, Richard II, and who is the last? So the third king. So the last king is options are here: Richard III, Henry IV, Edward IV, or the Henry V. So the correct answer is option number B, Henry IV. Now the turns toward next question. And next question is 53. Match the correct pair by matching the name of the works in their correct name of their author. So here Queen Mab, The Lady of the Lake, Confession of an Opium Eater, Loneliness and After Holiday. And the work is given in the list second. Charles Lamb, Thomas De Quincey, Sir Walter Scott and P.B. Shelley. So the correct option is here option A, because Queen Mab is written by P.B. Shelley. So the for first there is a D. The Lady of the Lake is written by Sir Walter Scott. Confession of an Opium Eater. If you know the Queen Mab and Confession of an Opium Eater, then also you can choose the remaining option. So the option number A is correct here. Question number 54. The subject of the Rape of the Lock draws upon the incident in which Lord Petherbridge's simplified lock of hair. The subject of the Rape of the Lock draws upon the incident in which Lord Petherbridge snipped off lock of hair of. So it is based on Rape of the Lock, written by Alexander Pope, based on real incident happened, and the Lord Petherbridge snipped off the lock of Arabella Fermor. And here Arabella Fermor is character shown as a Belinda. So the option is D, Arabella Fermor. Now the question number 55. Name the debut novel of Kingsley Amis. So the Kingsley Amis famous debut novel is Lucky Jim. Option number A is correct here. Now the question number 56. Who is the author of the Coral Island? Who is the author of Coral Island? So the options are here: Graham Greene, Anthony Powell, R.M. Bantini, and Angus Wilson. So the correct option is, and the correct answer is option number C, R.M. Benton. Then next question, question number 57. Curriculum vitae by Muriel Spark is what? So curriculum vitae by Muriel Spark, it is an autobiography. Now the question number 58. The Myth of the Sisyphus, published in 1942, is written by whom? So the Myth of Sisyphus is in 1942 is written by Samuel Beckett, Albert Camus, Harold Pinter, or Arthur Adam. So the correct answer is answer number B, Albert Camus. Then question number 59. Which among the following is not a work of Bertolt Brecht? So here are some work given and we have to find out that which is not written by Bertolt Brecht. So the correct answer is here that option number D, Life of Galileo, because three penny opera, Mother Courage and Her Children are written by or outsider written by Bertolt Brecht, but the Life of Galileo is not written by the Brecht. Now the next question, The Witch is a poem. Which is poem written by whom? So the correct answer is option number C, Walter de la Mare. Then question number 61. It is better to have loved and lost than never to have loved to all. Who composed these lines? So these famous lines are composed by famous poet Alfred Tennyson. So the option number A is correct. Now the question number 62, the poem The Land was written by whom? So the poem Land was written by Victoria Sackville West. The Victoria Sackville is West and the Virginia Woolf, the both are in relationship and they openly accepted, and they wrote Woolf wrote the Orlando also and she accepted it in it. So she's with that Victoria Sackville West. Now the question number 63, what is the name of the king in Shakespeare's play Henry IV Part 1? So शेक्सपियर्स हेनरी फोर्थ पार्ट 1 में किंग का नाम क्या था? सो द नेम ऑफ द किंग इज option number C, that Bolingbroke. Now the question number 64, what is common among the following? If I die today, Atom and the serpent, the drunk tantra and the awaking. So what is the common between the all? So the correct option is option number D, campus novels. Question number 65, नयनतारा सहगल won साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड फॉर द नॉवेल. नयनतारा सहगल को साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड कौन से नॉवेल के लिए मिला था? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज हियर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, रीच लाइक अस. रीच लाइक अस, इट इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, that English as a medium of instructions was introduced in India by whom? English as a medium of instruction was introduced in India by whom? So options are Charter Act 1793, Christian Missionary in 1542, Macaulay's Minute on Education 1835, East India Company Act 1830. So the correct option is option number C. It is Macaulay's Minute on Education 1835. इंग्लिश इंस्ट्रक्शंस का मीडियम रहना चाहिए, ये इंट्रोड्यूस इंडिया में पहली बार मैकॉले के मिनट से हुआ था. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 67, the earliest form of England were brought to Great Britain by? The earliest forms of English were brought to Great Britain by whom? So the correct option is option number A, Anglo-Saxon settlers. The question number 68, which is not a term used by Arnold in Culture and Anarchy? कौन सी टर्म मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड ने उनकी कल्चर एंड एनार्की में नहीं यूज़ की है? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर दैट सी, हेलेनिस्ट. Now the next question, Coleridge's statement regarding poet's ability that dissolves, diffuses and dissipates in order to recreate relate to. So the correct option is here option number C, that's secondary imagination. Coleridge wrote the literary biography, and in this he made a statement that regarding poet's ability that dissolves, diffuses and dissipates in order to recreate, relate, and which is called as a secondary imagination. Now the question number 70, what is supposed to be conceit in metaphysical poetry? What is supposed to be conceit in metaphysical poetry? So the correct option is here option number A, the most heterogeneous idea yoked by violence together. The most heterogeneous ideas yoked by violence together. The question number 71, Zuri and Friday are character in. So the Zuri and Friday are characters in the Robinson Crusoe written by Daniel Defoe. So the correct option is here option number A. Now the next question, question number 72, what is not 18th century Gothic novelist? Who is not an 18th century Gothic novelist? So the options are Horace Walpole, लॉरेंस ट्रेने, एन रेडक्लिफ और विलियम गॉडविन. तो इसमें से कौन सा राइटर गोथिक नॉवेलिस्ट नहीं है? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लॉरेंस ट्रेने. The three sorts of serpents do resemble the dangerous eye-killing cockatrice, the enchanting siren, which both do entice, the weeping crocodile, this white that preys thee. These lines are written by whom? So the options are here: Michael Crichton, Edmund Spenser, William Shakespeare, Sir Philip Sidney. So the correct option is option number A, Michael Crichton. Question number 74, Chaucer's Book of the Duchess is an elegy for whom? So the Chaucer's famous book of the Duchess, it is that elegy for option number A is correct, Duchess of Lancaster. Then question number 75, which of the following was not a pen name of Walter Scott? नीचे दिए गए में से किसका कौन सा वॉल्टर स्कॉट का पेन नेम नहीं है? सो द वॉल्टर स्कॉट का पेन नेम है दैट. So the correct options are Lawrence Templeton, George Orwell, Jebediah, and the Captain Clutterbuck. Okay. So here, which is not? So the all three are name of Walter Scott, but George Orwell is not a pen name of Walter. So the correct option is B. Now the question number 76. Which material device has been used by the poet in the following lines? Full many to flower is born to blush unseen and waste its sweetness on desert air. So the correct option is here option number B, iambic pentameter. Now turns toward the question number 77. Question number 77. Who among the following is not associated with the theatre of the absurd? नीचे में से कौन सा राइटर थिएटर ऑफ द absurd के साथ एसोसिएटेड नहीं है? सो द ऑप्शंस आर सैमुअल बेकेट, जॉन ऑसबर्न, जॉन फॉर्ड, टॉम स्टॉपर्ड. सो द correct answer is option number C, John Ford, because all three Samuel Beckett, John Osborne and Tom Stoppard are related with the theater of the absurd, but John Ford जो है वो theater of the absurd से related नहीं है. Then question number 78, Pat Barker is the author of. Pat Barker wrote the Regeneration Trilogy. So the correct option is option number C. Now the question number 79, the three term label for the consonant that B is. So the here options are given, that voiceless nasal fricative, voice nasal affricate, voiced biblical plosive, and voiceless biblical fricative. So the here correct option is option number C, voice biblical plosive. Then question number 80, who is known as the father of comedy in Europe? Who is known as the father of comedy of Europe? So the options are P.G. Wodehouse, Ben Jonson, then Aristophanes and Sophocles. So the correct answer is option number C, Aristophanes. Aristophanes is known as father of comedy in Europe. Then question number 81, Gerald Rich is character in D.H. Lawrence novel entitled. Gerald Rich ये जो character है वो D.H. Lawrence के कौन से novel में आता है? And here options are Lady Chatterley's Lover, The Rainbow, Sunshine Lover and Women in League. So the correct option is Women in Love. Option D is correct. Gerald Rich character जो है वो Women in Love में आता है. Now question number 82, which novelist echoed the oft-quoted lines of Shakespeare as flies to wanton boys are we to God, they kill us for their sport? So the question numbers 82's answer is option number, here options are given, that Charles Dickens in David Copperfield, Thomas Hardy in Tales of the D'Urbervilles, Thomas Hardy in Under the Greenwood Tree. So the correct option is B, Thomas Hardy in Tales of the D'Urbervilles. Now the next question, that question number 83, Keats and Shakespeare was written by whom? So the options are here, Middleton Murray, Lord David Cecil, Lord D.C. Nichol, H.J.C. Grierson. So the which is the correct option? So the correct option is A, Middleton Murray. Now the next question, which among the following is not a work by Nadine Gordimer? So the correct option is option number B, The Unbearable Lightness of the Being. It is a not work of Nadine Gordimer. Now the question number 85, the research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past is called what? The research. ऐसा रिसर्च जो एक्सप्लोर करता है न्यू फैक्ट्स को और उसे करने के लिए वो पास्ट का स्टडी गो थ्रू द स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट, उसे क्या कहते हैं? सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर option are here: comparative research, methodological research, historical. So the option is historical research is the correct option. Now the question number 86. The Golden Gate was inspired by whose translation? The Golden Gate was inspired by whose translation? So the correct option is here option number A, Charles H. Johnston. Charles H. Johnston. Now the question number 87. Which is the main objective of research? The review of the literature, to discover new facts or make fresh interpretation of no facts, to summarize what is already known, and to get an academic degree. So the here answer is option number B. What is the main objective of research? The main objective of research is to discover new fact or make fresh interpretation of known facts. Now the question number 88. Which of these is not a dialect of English? Which of these is not a dialect of English? So the correct answer is option number C, Bardbury. Bardbury. Now the next question. Question number 89. The relevance of behaviorist psychology to language learning was a question by whom? So the relevance of behaviorism psychology to language learning was questioned by. So options are Noam Chomsky, Skinner, then Helida or Fries. So the here option number A is correct, Noam Chomsky. Then question number 90. The formation of the disciplinary society is connected with the number of board historical process, which according to Foucault is not a part of the process. So the options are here: economic, judicial, political, scientific, and mystic. So the correct option is option number D is correct, mystic. Okay. Now the question number 91. The word anagnorisis used by Aristotle does not mean. So the option number D is correct, tragic flaw. It's anagnorisis. Okay. Now the question number 92. Which among the following statement is not true in the context of structuralism? So the statements are here: structuralism is an anti-humanist philosophy. Option number B, structuralism makes an attempt to comprehend the world in terms of structure. Option number C, structuralism argues that language is a system of difference. And option number D, structuralism unfolds the anatomy of human subject. So the right answer is here option number D, that is structuralism unfold the anatomy of human subject. Now the question number 93. In Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy, who speak for the poet himself? So there is a different person for ancients he wrote something. So here Lycidius, Eugenius, or Cyrus, or the Critus, or the Neander. So the correct option is option number D. Neander is for Dryden himself. In this An Essay of Dramatic Poesy, Neander जो है वो ड्राइडन के हिमसेल्फ के लिए बोलता है, या ड्राइडन खुद है और जो सिम्बॉलिकली नियंडर है. Now the question number 94. In which play did Johnson explain his theory of comedy of humors? कौन से प्ले में जॉनसन ने अपनी थेरी एक्सप्लेन की है कॉमेडी ऑफ ह्यूमर्स की? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर B. Okay, so the correct option is every man out of his humor. Then question number 95. In the play The Honest Whore, the role of the prostitute is played by whom? In the play The Honest Whore, the role of the prostitute is played by whom? So the correct option is option number D, that Bella Front. Now the question number 96. Research can be classified as. So the research can be classified all the above, that basic, applied, and the action research, quantitative and qualitative research, philosophical and historical survey, and experimental research. Now read the following poem and give the answers. So the poem is given here. The snow dissolved, no more is seen. The fields and woods, behold, are green. The changing year renews the plain. The rivers know their blank again, and spiritually nymphs and naked grace the mazy dance together trace. The changing year's successive plan proclaim morality to man. rough winter's blast to spring way. Okay, so this is how the poem. Please pause the video and read the whole poem. Now we turns toward the questions. Now what is the meaning of the rivers known their bank again? So the correct option is here option number C. The rivers have once again started following between their banks. Now the question number 98, spring ale to summer Sauergian ray means what? So the option number D is correct. Spring is followed by summer. Now the question number 99, what is the concept of time as given in the poem? So the correct answer is the concept of time is given here, that option number B, time runs in a circle for nature and runs linearly for a man. Now the last question, question number 100, what is the main idea of the poem? So the main idea of the poem is here that nature once dead can renew itself but man cannot do it. Okay, so this is how the full June 2019's question paper. If you think that it is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe my channel.